Hello, this is a Shotgun Toolkit getting started video. In order to get started with the Shotgun Toolkit, you need to make sure that you have two folders on your computer mounted. In order to do that, you can go to your goal menu and set go to the folder. In the window, you just type volumes. Just go and see. Now this is like a basic configuration that we have on the SSD video mounted. We don't have MNT door sign and collab mounted yet. This is two folders that we need in order to make Shotgun Toolkit work. Let's go to menu again and set connect to the server. In this window, you should just type SMB, which stands for Samba server semicolon /NetApp collab. Go and set connect. You'll see that this collab drive appear right here. You also should double check that you have access to the project, whatever project you're working on. In my case, I'm working on the board builder, and I can easily open it here. Okay, let's go. Let's come back and go and connect to the server again. Type in the same thing, but instead of collab, we just type in MNT door sign. Do connect. Okay, I connected successfully, and I have these two folder right now. That means I can go and get started with the Shotgun. Let me open my Google Chrome. I have the Shotgun page already open and logged in. If I go to my project what I working on, in the case is boat builder, and let me go to the shots, and let's assume that they're working on the shots BB 20 sequence 24 shot 1. I just right click on I might right click on this shot and you can see the menu, but the easiest way to launch my application, not from this menu, but if I actually go to the shot, and for example I go to the tasks and I'm working on compositing task. Let's assume I just melt bloom and working on this task. Oh, actually, let me go back. I can just right click on this task and set launch nuke. This action will launch nuke for me in this environment, and nuke will know that I'm in the environment of this particular shot and this particular task. If you're launching your nuke straight from the shot, from this area, if I launch it from here, the nuke will only know that I'm on a particular shot, not particular task, and it will prompt me to select the working area. In this case, I launch nuke, everything seems fine. I have the Shotgun menu going here, and I can load my sequence to get started, for example. In this case, I need to go Shotgun, load, and I'm working on the shot sequence 24. I have number of sequences, which is some of the renders that was done before. I'm interested in the original sequence that came from client, and that has a label debug sequence. You can just double click on that. Here's my sequence. Let me try to play that. It won't play, and the reason for that is I have this frame range is 1 to 1. In order to fix that, I can just reload the sequence. And you can see that it's 1 to 91 frame. If I reload this, I have everything going fine. And let me go to I hit S on the keyboard. I go to my properties, and I make sure that my frame range is correct here, which is the case. And what I want to do right now, for example, I want to comp something, or I want to apply my LUT, that is right here. Well, let me just do a quick grade on this. In this case, we'll just do a quick grade. Just demonstrate the purpose. Let me do the color some blue, maybe. And let's assume that I've done my comping and I want to render the sequence. I go to Shotgun menu, which is located right here, and I hit Bolt Builder DPX Shotgun, and it will prompt me that I didn't save my script. Again, we don't using the standard menu, we using Shotgun, and I go to Shotgun save as, and it will prompt me for a name, and you can see that I already have the naming convention set up for me. I just need to type the name of my scene. It will be test dog, and hit save. And if I'm curious where my file go, or wanna grab it later on, I can go on Shotgun menu and go and hit the jump to file system, and it will open the folder for me, which is a collab drive and our project, and I can see there is my task, which is a comp task. I go to my task, I go to the work area, I can see the nuke folder going here, and inside the nuke there's scenes, and this is all the scenes that was created for this shot from different artists, or maybe it's the same artist, yeah. And I can see that this is my scene that's called test dog and has my name tag on it. I can grab it, or if I need to. Okay, let's assume that we done comping and we want to render it and publish it for review on Shotgun. I go to Bolt Builder, I go to Shotgun menu and select BB-DPX. It will create the right node for me. I just connect it whatever in output. Just double click on it. This DPX write is already pre-configured for me. The only thing that I need to do is to hit render button. And I need to set up my range. In this case, I'll just put 5 frames for the sake of speed. This action will render the sequence to the same location, also on the local drive right here. And if I want to check my sequence, I can go and hit this button, jump to file system, and I can find the sequence right here with the proper naming conventions too. The next step, since I got my render and I'm happy with the result, I want to publish it for review on Shotgun. This accomplished by hitting Shotgun menu and publish button. It will prompt me a window with the couple items in it, and select the thumbnails, which I click, and I'll just drag across my window, set the thumbnails, add a comment. For example, remove dog tail, and I put test in it. And I hit publish button. This action will produce three outcomes. First is it will render the movie file from this sequence that I have rendered here. Second, it will publish the nuke file to the directory, which is we were working in the work area, and this is in the publish area. And it will publish this file to the Shotgun. And the third action, it will publish the link to the actual published sequence on Shotgun. And you can see it on Shotgun in a minute. Yeah, the publishing procedure is done, and now you can go to your project overview section. And and you see that the video is still transcoding in these small thumbnails, but you can check that your publishing has been done. This is your nuke file, this is your DPX sequence, and that's supposed to be your dailies preview, which generated from this sequence that you rendered before with the right BB right DPX. Let me just reload the page and see, maybe it's finished transcoding. Yep, it is. Yeah, you can see that it's only 5 frames, but it's rendered the full length because our remember our global settings set to the project settings set to 91 frames. Just keep an eye on it. Yeah, thank you for your patience. This was an introduction to starting the Shotgun Toolkit.